Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading the game and confirming controls so you won't fumble during critical moments. Once done, select or create a save slot and set time speed to normal so you can react. Walk toward the school and spend the first minutes observing NPCs, learn patrol routes and schedule. You should pick one rival and follow them discreetly to learn where they are alone. This early recon lets you plan methods and prevents chaos later. Now you move into planning and executing specific steps. Gather necessary items from the environment, then stash them where only you can access them. Once ready, create a distraction to separate your rival, drop something noisy or tamper with lockers, and time your approach during a quiet 10-15 minute window. Approach calmly, use the appropriate method for your goal, and check NPC attention meters to avoid witnesses. Make manual saves before any irreversible action. That gives you recovery options if plans fail. Finish by eliminating traces and restoring normalcy so suspicion fades. Hide any bodies and remove forensic evidence. If possible, use incinerators or secluded areas. Once done, return stolen or moved items and resume routine behaviors to blend in. This gradually lowers suspicion. If things go wrong, immediately pause and reload the last save, then alter your approach, choose a different time, use alternate tools, or pick another route. That recovery step prevents a failed run from turning into a permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.